Hi, Chanel here from Tips and Tricks HQ, and in this tutorial we'll look at how you can remove account limitations to raise your PayPal transfer and receive limits. The limitations or preventative measures that PayPal have in place prevent a user from completing a certain account action. These actions can have to do with sending money, receiving money, spending money online, and withdrawing money. If you find yourself stumped after hitting a PayPal limitation, do not feel personally victimized. The limitations are put in place for a number of reasons, and the good news is the majority of times the limitations can be removed by completing a couple of easy steps. If PayPal has placed a limitation on your account, it may be to abide by country laws, PayPal believes your account has been hacked or compromised, the linked bank account has notified PayPal about suspicious behavior, you've been buying or selling high-risk items, your account has had a number of disputes that have not been appropriately responded to, you are not adhering to PayPal's acceptable use policy, and you are buying or selling prohibited items, or you have not fully verified your PayPal account, which is the main reason for limitations on a PayPal account. I've now arrived in my PayPal account where I'll show you one tactic to remove some account limitations. If you've gotten an email from PayPal, it might even tell you the steps that you need to take to remove limitations and increase your spending limit. So I've basically just logged into my account, I've clicked on the More menu and then on Business Setup. That's taken me to this page here, which is my PayPal Business Account Setup, and it's on the Account Setup tab. If you also have a business account, you'll be able to follow along to these instructions. Just ensure you've confirmed your email address, you've linked your bank account, you've chosen your payment methods, and you've confirmed your business name. If you've done those 4 steps, you should not have many limitations on your account. If you still find that you've got a limitation on your account, you can click the Raise Limits to move money more easily, which will take you to the Account Limits page. Here, all your account limits will be shown, and if you wish to raise limits, you can simply click on this button down the bottom. Clicking on this button will take you to a page where it tells you what you'll need to do to raise your account limits. So in my circumstances, I need to link an Australian bank account, and then once I've added in my bank account name, BSB and account number, chosen which account name I'd like to use and agree and link, it should remove some of the limitations that are in place. Once you actually agree and link a bank account, or you fill in your business name, or you do one of the steps that reduces limitations on your account, you'll need to expect to wait 2 to 3 business days for those limitations to be removed from your account. So that pretty much sums up this tutorial on removing limitations from your PayPal account to raise spending limits. If you have any further questions or queries, feel free to comment them below.